Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Mobilo card. First, download the Mobilo app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create your account using your email address or phone number. You'll then be prompted to pair your physical Mobilo card. This usually involves tapping your card to your phone or scanning a QR code found on the card's packaging. It's a quick and easy process to get you started. Now that your card is paired, it's time to personalize your profile. Upload a professional photo and fill in your essential contact information, like your job title and company. You can also add links to your social media profiles and website. Don't forget to customize the design of your digital business card within the app. Choose colors and layouts that reflect your brand, making a strong first impression. Sharing your information with Mobilo is incredibly simple. The primary method is to tap your Mobilo card to another person's compatible smartphone. Your digital profile will instantly appear on their screen. Alternatively, you can share your unique QR code, which others can scan. The app also allows you to send your contact information directly via text or email, ensuring you connect with anyone, anywhere. To get the most out of your Mobilo card, explore its advanced features. The app provides analytics, showing you how many times your card has been tapped and how people engage with your profile. You can also integrate Mobilo with popular CRM systems to streamline lead management. Remember, your profile can be updated instantly from the app, so your contacts always have your latest information. It's a powerful networking tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.